in the action, boys. Jesus, she's fine. I'm sure she's fine. Actually, fun fact, a lot of girls that go through traumatic experiences like that earlier in their life turn out to be strippers, which is nor good nor bad. Actually, NameBran, it's daddy issues that turn him into strippers. Well, let me tell you, if that was my daughter, I'm dropping her in a fucking heartbeat. Daddy didn't raise no pussy, fool. Anyway, speaking of pussy, it's funny how this channel turns real quick. A little crash, and then we're talking about vagina. Speaking of pussy, my main thought, we drink it on Smirnoff Ice Light today. Just thought I'd mention it. Great drink. If you guys are above the age of drinking age, I recommend it because there's not a lot of alcohol in it, but it's tasty as f. It tastes like pussy. Punchline, nice. Alright. Of course y'all know the NameBran fams, real strong. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. Let me say right now, y'all killed the merch sales, absolutely destroyed it. I sold a lot more pieces than I thought, which is really good because with me getting demonetized a lot, I'm making bank from y'all in other ways. You know, it's not all about the money, but let's get real, boys. We're all trying to get rich. You know what I mean?
Motherfuckers ready for this shit, though. That's the new piece?
Yeah, no, that guy's just a fucking retard. Rich though, he's cool now. See how that works? Me. But I do want to say, I'm gonna let 5 more go. I'm shipping out a little bit more of the merch than I thought, but it's just really dope because I'm actually getting pictures of y'all rocking this stuff and I really dig it. You guys gotta be quick on this one. I'm putting out 5 more Yeezy Killer merch tees and that's it. The link is down below if you guys want a chance to win a box logo tee, Supreme water bottles, toothbrushes, stickers. You guys have a chance to win them if you purchase a merch shirt, and most of the people at this point have gotten something. I'm not really sure where I'm at with the number, but Yeezy Killer by NameBran. Blah, it's lit. Anyway, man, so today's video, we have a really dope unboxing. Now, there's a lot of times with unboxings where you can unbox something that's kind of dope, you unbox something else and it's real lit. They don't always need their own video though. This motherfucking piece right here needs its own video stat on Pornhub. Okay, it's not a dildo this time, but it needs a video on the NameBran channel because this is something that needs to be talked about. Let me just say it's probably my favorite thing that I've ever purchased, which sounds really weird. Besides my car and my girl and stuff like that, this is probably my favorite purchase that's a thing. Still, my girl is classified under that, but she's pretty dope, a little doper than this. And cut, all the girls stop watching. I love y'all, I'm just joking. Just bad humor, always. It's just funny, I think. I like it. And what we're talking about, boys, is right here. Now, this is something, we'll go into it in a second. This is something that never should have been released. You guys have probably heard of it, but this is a piece that I think a lot of people are gonna be looking for because it's just cool. NameBran, how in the mother dick you about to open up that package of puss? Well, let me just get the person that's gonna unbox for us, dude. Come on in. What's up, you motherfucker? Oh, sick on these. Wow! Holy shit! I am sorry. Get the fuck out of here! This is a children's channel! My god! Kids, I'm sorry for that. Nobody needs to hear the fuck word, the shit word. That's not good. You guys ever think about instead of Edward Scissorhands, they could have done like Edward Scissorpenis? Would have been kind of chill, you know what I mean? Just like get a little bit more outside the box for me, you know what I mean? Without further ado, this is a piece by Supreme. I was lucky enough to get it on drop and people really slept on it and people are so mad that they did because of a story I'm about to tell you. But oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. So, first off, any stickers that are in this are going out with the merch sales of people that purchased today. So, we do have 2 stickers. Some of y'all are going to be getting those if you purchase the merch too. We got the bag. Very sick. A big bag too, I like those. And then their classic box packaging. Without further ado, much smaller than I thought. That's what she said a lot always to me. We have the Supreme Vegas, boys. Holy crap! Holy crap! Alright, so here's the story on this one. With Supreme, they're very known, and you guys might know about this story, but they're very known for copying designs from people. They're kind of lazy in that way. Don't get me wrong, they make very dope product with the designs that they copy, but they're known for doing that, and it's by speculation that they probably got a cease and desist on copying this design. It's a design back from way long ago that some dude took 40 years to do. Look at this for a second. I don't know how the fuck he took 40 years to make this, but that's what I read. You must have been one of those derps, you know what I'm saying? Me. So anyway, they got the cease and desist, and they actually were able to drop this one, but they had a lot of other pieces coming out, like shirts and shit like that, and this is called the alphabet, like, text or whatever like that they took off the website. They're not even releasing anymore. Now, a lot of people think this might go up in price. I got this for 80. They're going for like 200 to 300 on eBay right now. A lot of people are like, oh, well, it was a cease and desist. It's probably gonna go up in price. I'm not too sure about that because they already released the amount of pieces that they were gonna release for this. I think it'd be cool cooler to have one of the shirts that they weren't able to release before this whole process happened. But nonetheless, still got some crazy resell. We got the Supreme vase. Y'all know we're trying to make the coolest room possible. I got my couch up here right now. I'm cleaning underneath it. But this is gonna be so sick right in the display cabinet. And it says fuck on it, which is cool. See? There's a fuck. My favorite word. Besides wiener, of course. Such a funny word, man. Let me just stick my wiener in you. I always say that. It never turns out well. It says fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, that's because... What does that say? I'm dyslexic. I don't know. It says fuck and then you, and I'm not really sure what those words make. But such a sick piece. I had to show you all this. I wanted to give a little backstory behind it as to why people are really hyped up about this item. Like I say, they were able to release all their pieces, so I don't really know how much the hype is gonna be there. But yeah, man, that's the piece that we have for today. I really wanted to just do its own video on this because I don't usually have knowledge on anything, and I had a little bit of knowledge on this. I'm like, yo, the boys gotta hear it. The boys gotta hear NameBran spewing some shit. So sick. Can't wait to put it in the cabinet. With that being said, boys, I'm gonna go film like 2 or 3 more videos because I am high on life, and I appreciate you guys so much. The NameBran fam is real strong. We're marking the game, the greatest of all time, y'all, the goats. I appreciate you so much once again. I just said that. And also, a lot of people are asking me if I'm gonna be at SneakerCon Chicago. You guys know I really bummed up my leg. It's feeling a little bit better, but the meniscus is about to really tear. It's torn halfway, and that's the tendon that's holding your knee pretty much together. So it's like half there, and I feel like me getting into the shenanigans that I usually do after hours at sneaker cons, because I'm in a new place, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna act a fool. I feel like it's not smart because I will just F up my crap, you know what I mean? So we'll see if I'm gonna be there. I hope I am for you guys that want to like chill with NameBran in person. Weird that you want to do that, but I'm gonna try my best. And you guys leave comments down below what you think about this piece. Last up, I am going to give out one merch shirt to y'all. If you guys made it through this video, one Yeezy Killer merch tee is going to one of you guys. I printed up, I think, 10 extra to kind of give away, and I had been kind of doing that like through like Instagram DMs and stuff, just people that leave me cool comments. But I got one shirt for y'all, so if y'all want to win it, just leave some positive crap down below, or whatever you want to leave. Just leave it, hit the thumbs up button. Instagram's right here, boys. Always doing stuff on there. Go follow it, and of course the notification button. If I didn't say that already, go hit it. YouTube's just trying to shut our shit down. I don't know why. Because I'm really appropriate, you know what I mean? I would classify myself as one of the best and most family channels on YouTube, honestly, because I am here for the kids, and you'll never catch me saying fuck or anything like that, because that's not good for little ears. So I don't know what's up, but if y'all want to actually catch the videos, hit the notification button. Y'all are marking the game, the greatest of all time. Blow! I was gonna make a cool face at you guys, or like a funny one, but it wasn't funny. That's fine. Okay. One more try. You're right. Bye.